Hey everyone, in this class we will talk about how we can make different shapes, and also we will talk about shape builder tool. So first of all, let's grab these shape tools. So when you click on this corner and hold it, you can see we have different shape tools. So let me grab these. So now you can double click here, and now we have all shape tools. So let's select the first one, okay, rectangle tool. So try to create a rectangle. So we can see it's working. But if you wanna create a square, you can just press and hold Shift key, and this is a perfect square. Okay, so next thing you can see we have these 4 points, okay? So they really helpful. We can make these corners round by using these points. So let me do it. Now you can see we have round corners, okay? So what about like you want only one round corner, okay? So in that case, you can do double click on this, and now you can move only one corner, okay? Now fill this shape with the color. Oh yeah, it's not selected. Maybe this one. Okay. So next we have like, yeah, if you wanna make this rounded rectangle, so you can make from here also. Next we have elliptical tool. So let's make a perfect circle. So for this, press and hold Shift key. Now you have a perfect circle. Next we have polygon tool. So yeah, it's really interesting. So polygon tool, you can create a polygon. Okay, so how about like we want more sides? So in that case, you can press upward arrow. Okay, so now you can see the size increasing, and if you press the downward arrow, now sides are decreasing. Okay, same we have with this one, like in star. You wanna increase the arms, you can just press upward arrow, and if you want to decrease, downward arrow. And if you want to change the shape of this star, you can just press Control, and now you can see like you can maybe a different shape, right? Yeah, there's another tool from which we can create shape. Here we have a shaper tool. So shaper tool, it's really helpful. Suppose you wanna make a triangle, but you don't know how to create a triangle. Okay, so you can just uh, make 3 corners, and it will create a perfect rectangle for you. And the same, like any shape you can create. I'm talking about geometrical shapes. Okay, if you have 4 corners, it will make you rectangle. Okay, so this is a little bit about the shape making tools. And now come to the shape builder tool, okay, which is really good, and you can use in creating designs. Let me delete it, and yeah, let's create some circle, okay, by holding Shift key. And suppose you have one circle and you want to copy this circle, okay? So in that case, just go to the selection tool and then press and hold Alt key, okay? So it will provide you a copy. You can do with Control C and Control V, but this is also really good. It just I'm pressing and holding the Alt key. just release. Again, Alt key, press and hold Alt key. And now we have 4 circles, okay? So let's arrange them. And remove the fill color so I can see the stroke. And now let's talk about shape builder tool. So here we have shape builder tool. So you can select this and now you can see I have plus sign. Okay, so plus means you are combining. Okay, suppose let's drag it and now you can see these two shapes are combined. Okay, so let's Control Z. And yeah, one more thing, like if you wanna subtract something, in that case you can press and hold Alt key, so it will convert into a minus sign. Okay, so I wanna combine this part. Okay, so just drag and these two parts, and I'm merging these two parts. And if you want to subtract something, just press and hold Alt key. And now it's gone. This part is also gone, and this part is also gone. Now press Z so I can zoom in. Okay. Now again, use your shape builder tool and press Alt key and remove this part, and remove this part. And also I want to remove this middle part too. Okay, so now our shape is ready and we can color it. Yeah, so just select it and let's choose maybe gradient. Okay. Yeah, this looks perfect. So this is how the shape builder tool works. Okay, and also we have another similar tool which is Pathfinder tool. Okay, so let me combine this first, make it group. Now we have this one shape. Now come to the Pathfinder. Okay, so for Pathfinder, I'm creating some more circles by pressing and holding Shift key. And let's choose selection tool and press and hold Alt key. And again, I want a more copy, so just press Alt key and again Alt key. So just remove the stroke so we can see what is happening here. And for now, I'm removing this so we can see all circles. And now come to the Pathfinder tool. So if you don't have Pathfinder tool, you can turn on your Pathfinder tool from here. So let's select the first two circles. So in Pathfinder tool, we have shape modes. Okay, so by using this first thing, we can unite two parts or two shapes. Okay, so let's select this. Now we can see it's already like these two circles are merged, right? Now select this one and this time try this one. So we are removing this part. Yeah. And now we want only this part, the middle part. So you can use this one, and let me do Control Z, and we can see we can try this icon. Let me fill color so we can see. Yeah, we don't have this middle part. Okay. So you can see we have these 4 options and we can try. So this is all about our shapes and shape builder tool. Thank you.